Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In a world filled with superfoods, one tiny seed stands tall, the flaxseed. These unassuming little powerhouses have been hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to discover their incredible secrets. From the fertile lands of ancient civilizations to your modern-day kitchen, flax seeds have traveled through time to bring you a world of health and vitality. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the power of flax seeds. We'll delve deep into their rich history, explore their incredible nutritional value, and unveil the numerous ways they can transform your health. Join us as we uncover the superfood that has been a cherished secret for centuries. Get ready to experience the magic of flax seeds like never before. Let's dive in and embrace the incredible world of flax seeds. What are flax seeds? Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are small, brown or golden seeds harvested from the flax plant. They've been cultivated for centuries for their incredible health benefits. Flax seeds have a rich history dating back thousands of years. They were cultivated in ancient Babylon and Egypt, where people used them for both nutrition and textiles, emphasizing their historical importance. Varieties of flax seeds. There are two primary types of flax seeds, brown and golden. Brown flax seeds have a slightly nuttier flavor, while golden flax seeds have a milder taste. Both varieties offer the same exceptional health benefits, so you can choose the one that suits your palate. Nutritional value. Flax seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients make them a true superfood. Health benefits. Flax seeds promote heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, support digestion with their fiber content, also helps fighting inflammation, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Flaxseed oil, extracted from flax seeds, is another valuable product. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can be used as a salad dressing or drizzled over cooked dishes to provide a healthy dose of essential fats. Flax seeds and weight management. Flax seeds are a fantastic addition to a weight management plan. Their high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to overeat. For those looking to maintain a healthy weight, flax seeds can be a valuable ally. Flax seeds for skin and hair. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in flax seeds can work wonders for your skin and hair. They contribute to a radiant complexion and stronger, shinier locks. Scientific studies. Recent scientific studies have consistently shown the positive impact of flax seeds on various aspects of health. Researchers have documented their role in reducing the risk of heart disease. Also, it works in improving digestive health and even potentially preventing certain types of cancer. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet. The beauty of flax seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily diet. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, stir them into oatmeal, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking recipes. Now let's talk about some fun fact. Did you know that flax seeds have been cultivated for over 6,000 years? Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians, prized them for their health benefits. Cooking with flax seeds. Let's whip up a batch of delicious flaxseed energy balls together. They're a perfect snack for your busy day. Flaxseed energy balls. Recipe. Ingredients. Flax seeds, oats, honey, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. Mix 1 cup of oats, 1 2 cup of flax seeds, 1 2 cup of peanut butter, 1 3 cup of honey, and a handful of chocolate chips in a bowl. Roll the mixture into small balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Enjoy your homemade flaxseed energy balls. To keep your flax seeds fresh, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This will help preserve their valuable nutrients. Remember, flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can boost your health in so many ways. Whether you're aiming to improve heart health, support digestion, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, flax seeds are the answer. So, go ahead and introduce these tiny seeds into your daily routine. Your body will thank you.